What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to watch ESPN Plus on any TV. Now first thing you should do is simply open the ESPN app and ensure you have the app installed on your streaming device. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from your device's app or channel store. Access settings. Once the ESPN app is open, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and highlight the settings gear icon. Then now you have to click on the settings gear icon to enter the settings menu. After that, you will have in the settings menu an option called account information. Select it, then choose login to ESPN account, and this step will provide you with an activation code. And now you have to use your phone, tablet, or PC and visit es.pn/activate and follow the instructions on the website to log in using your ESPN Plus account. Then your TV will confirm when you have successfully linked your ESPN Plus account. And now in order to access ESPN Plus, now you have to return to the main screen of the ESPN app on your TV and select ESPN Plus. And now your TV is all set up to watch ESPN Plus content. Now you have access to a wide range of content, including live sports events, original shows, and documentaries. Each time you open the app, simply select the ESPN Plus section to see what's new and start enjoying your favorite sports content. Now let's talk about some alternative options. If your streaming device doesn't have the ESPN app, you have a few alternative options. Chromecast. If you have a Chromecast, you can cast ESPN Plus from your phone to your TV. You can also use Apple TV. If you have an older Apple TV, you can use AirPlay to stream ESPN Plus from your iPhone to your TV, or you can simply purchase a new streaming device that supports the ESPN app. And this will ensure a seamless viewing experience. And keep in mind that in order to watch ESPN Plus sports and shows on your TV, you will need an ESPN Plus subscription. It is an excellent option for streaming sports content outside of a bundle. Now, if you are interested in bundling, ESPN Plus is part of the Disney bundle, which pairs it with Disney Plus and Hulu for a monthly fee of $15 per month. ESPN Plus is also included in the Hulu with Live TV streaming service. And when talking about the supported devices that allow you to watch ESPN Plus directly on your TV, we have Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Facebook Portal TV, Roku, Samsung Smart TV, Xfinity, X-Class, Flex, and finally X1. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.